Hi everyone, ready to transfer your number from Total Wireless? In this video, we will guide you through the easy steps for a smooth port out process. Let's get your number transferred. Total Wireless Port Out. Gather your Total Wireless mobile account number, transfer PIN, and the phone number you want to transfer. Then visit the new provider website or contact customer support. Provide the necessary information and initiate the porting process. Your number will typically transfer within 4 to 24 hours, and your old service will automatically cancel once the transfer is complete. Step 1. Get the required information. Collect your total wireless account number, the phone number you want to transfer, transfer PIN, your full name, billing address, and zip code. Ensure the details should be exactly same as in total wireless account. Step 2. Get total wireless account number. This is typically the IMEI number of your phone. You can find it by dialing *#06# on your device or checking in the phone settings under About. On iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the IMEI number listed. On Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on About Phone or About Device. Step 3. Get Total Wireless Transfer PIN. To obtain your number transfer PIN, you need to contact Total Wireless customer support. If you encounter problems with the transfer PIN or if your new carrier report issues related to number transfer protection, you may need to contact Total Wireless customer service at 1-800-327-2077 for further assistance. Step 4. Initiate the porting process. Your new carrier will submit a port out request using the information provided. They will notify you once the transfer is successful. Ensure that all details provided like zip code match what is on file with Total Wireless to avoid delays. Keep an eye on both your old and new accounts during this time to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. If there are any issues, contact both carriers for assistance. Wait for confirmation. The porting process typically takes 4 to 24 hours for mobile numbers. You may receive a temporary number during this time. Once your number is successfully ported, your total wireless service will be cancelled automatically and you will be able to use your phone on new network. Porting out limitation and eligibility. Check eligibility. Your Total Wireless account must be active at the time of the porting request. Ensure that there are no outstanding dues or unpaid bills on your Total Wireless account. There should not be any pending request for changing the ownership of your mobile number. The number you wish to port must not be subject to any legal restriction. If you are bringing your own phone, ensure the phone is compatible and carrier unlocked to use new service. Check carrier unlock status. For iOS, open the Settings app, then go to General, then About, scroll down to find the Network Provider Lock section. If it says no SIM restriction, your iPhone is unlocked. If it indicates any restriction, the phone is carrier locked. For Android, open the settings, go to Network and Internet or Connection. Then go to Mobile Network, Network Operator or choose Network. Turn off, select automatically. If you see a list of available networks, your phone is unlocked. If only your Total Wireless network appear, it is likely locked. You have to contact Total Wireless support to unlock your device. If your phone is eligible, they will unlock your phone. To check device compatibility, you can check the device's compatibility by visiting new provider official website and entering the IMEI number. On iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the IMEI number listed. On Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on About Phone or About Device. Alternatively, you can dial *#06# on the phone app to display the IMEI.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.